Every transformation begins with a single breath. In this moment, you have the power to shift your energy, rewire your thoughts, and realign with your purpose. Breathe in focus, breathe out limitation. Welcome to your mindful meditation for affirmations that deliver real results. Welcome to your mindful meditation for affirmations that deliver real results. Find a comfortable position. You may sit or lie down, whatever feels right. Let your eyes softly close. Notice your breathing, gentle, effortless, natural. With each inhale, feel your body expand. With each exhale, feel your mind release and soften. Allow your shoulders to drop. Relax your jaw. Unclench your hands. You are safe. You are present. You are exactly where you need to be. Now bring your awareness to your breath, the cool air as it enters your nose, the warmth as it leaves. No need to control it, just observe. As thoughts arise, let them drift like clouds across an open sky. You don't need to chase them. You don't need to push them away. Simply return again and again to the rhythm of your breath. This is mindfulness, the art of returning home to the present moment. Now, allow these affirmations to sink deeply into your being. You may repeat them silently or whisper them softly to yourself. I am calm, clear, and centered. I release what no longer serves me. Every breath I take grounds me in peace and purpose. My mind is focused, my heart is open, my energy attracts success. I am worthy of love, abundance, and joy. I trust the timing of my life. I take mindful action that leads to real results. Gratitude fills me with strength and clarity. I am becoming the best version of myself. One breath, one choice, one day at a time. Feel these words vibrating gently through you. Let them root into your subconscious. They're not just words. They're new patterns of belief. And with each repetition, you are reprogramming your mind for truth, focus, and fulfillment. Now, return to your breath. Feel the stillness in your body. Notice the shift, subtle yet powerful. You are calmer. You are clearer. You are connected. This peace you feel now is the real result of your presence. Take one more slow, deep breath. Inhale possibility. Exhale gratitude. When you're ready, gently open your eyes. Carry this calm with you throughout your day. And remember, your affirmations are working even when you don't see them yet. If this meditation brought you peace, remember to subscribe, like, and take a deep breath with us every day. Each moment of stillness is a step toward the life you're creating